Hey creatives, Robert Silver here. The Panasonic Lumix 20-60mm f3.5 to 5.6s zoom lens is a very versatile lens that allows you to capture any moment at a very affordable price. This L-mount lens delivers sharp, crisp images in a very compact package. The first place I took with the 20-60mm lens was to a local rose garden. I immediately realized how close this lens allows me to get close to my subjects. At even 20mm, I was able to lock focus as close as 6 inches away. It was great to be able to capture some macro shots of flowers with this lens. This lens is not your average kit lens. As most general all-purpose kit zoom lenses, the widest focal length you get is 24mm. With this lens, you get 20mm. I was really surprised how much more those 4 extra millimeters give me in my scene. Until now, if you owned any of the S series cameras and wanted a versatile, general-purpose, all-in-one walk-around zoom lens, the only option you had was the 24-105 f4 in the L-mount system. Now you have another option. Though you only get a full focal range of up to 60mm, it still provides you with 3 times zoom. This comes in handy for when I wanted to record video with either the S1 or S1H. At 20mm, I get to include some terrific wide establishing shots. I can easily include as many elements as I want from an environment into my frame. Soon as I used the lens at 60mm for recording, I was really happy to see how practical this lens can be. Aside from easily getting wide shots, it's nice to know I can seamlessly zoom in to isolate a subject in my frame, making this lens a great choice for filmmaking. Even though the 20-60mm lens doesn't have internal stabilization built in, I still produce steady shots since both the S1 and the S1H has sensor stabilization already built in, which easily took care of any handshakes that may have happened. Regardless of the low price and affordability, the 20-60mm is going to deliver great images no matter the weather conditions you're in. With a dust and splash-proof construction, means you'll be able to withstand any harsh environmental situations without skipping a beat. The 20-60mm lens is the smallest, lightest lens in the Lumix S Leica L-mount system. Weighing only 12.35 ounces or 350 grams, its lightweight body construction is perfectly made for all-day portability and comfort in mind. It's about half the price, size, and weight of the versatile 24-105mm f4S lens, which makes this lens a quick favorite for any photographer looking to leave the house with a general all-purpose lens, all while not breaking the bank. If you have any questions about this lens, feel free to post those comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, share, and of course subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications of upcoming videos. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.